Most people think HVAC is just air blowing from vents. HVAC systems control comfort, energy use. Most people think HVAC is just air blowing from vents. But behind your walls is a carefully engineered system.
Today, we'll break down a complete HVAC installation, from a small house to a high-rise building using AI-assisted visuals.
HVAC systems control comfort, energy use, and indoor air quality. A good installation works quietly for decades. A bad one wastes energy, creates noise, and fails early. Let's start with the basics. A residential house. In a small house, HVAC installation starts with layout planning. The air handler is usually placed in an attic, closet, or utility room. Supply ducts deliver conditioned air to rooms. Return ducts bring air back for recirculation. Proper duct sizing is critical. Undersized ducts increase noise and reduce airflow. Oversized ducts waste space and cost more. Insulation prevents energy loss, while smooth routing reduces pressure drop. In residential systems, simplicity and balance are the goal. Now scale the same principles up to a building. Instead of one air handler, we use chillers, air handling units, and mechanical rooms. Vertical risers distribute air across multiple floors. Each floor has its own control zones. Mechanical rooms are designed for access, not just fit. Technicians must service pumps, filters, and valves safely.
Vibration isolation is essential. Without it, noise travels through the structure.
Here, installation quality directly affects hundreds of occupants, not just one family. Most HVAC failures don't start with the machine. They start with installation. Poor duct routing increases resistance. Lack of access makes maintenance impossible. Incorrect airflow balance causes hot and cold spots. These problems are expensive to fix later, but easy to prevent during design.
This is where AI changes everything. Before installation begins, AI simulations test airflow, pressure, and temperature.
Engineers can see problem areas early. Design errors are corrected before material is ordered. AI doesn't replace engineers. It enhances decision-making. Less guesswork. Better performance. Longer system life. Whether it's a house or a high-rise, HVAC follows the same principles: good planning, correct sizing, clean installation. When design meets execution, systems perform quietly and efficiently for years. Which system should we break down next? Pumps, firefighting systems, aircraft, or ships? Comment below and subscribe to MechWorks AI, real mechanical installations powered by AI.